Like, what are you doing? What are you
So
eating?
you eat a crybaby.
It's a warhead.
Eating a crybaby.
Warhead.
Warhead.
You should try a lemon. You want a lemon one? Try a lemon.
The green one?
You just had a green one, you dangle.
Hold on,
I had a yellow one first and then the green one.
Did you?
Here,
This is the green one.
Which one was worse, yellow or green?
This one.
Say bye. Can you say bye?
I don't know those people.